I want to discuss how the world of cryptocurrency might take a huge step forward by 2025. Right now, the rules around digital currency can feel confusing. Some people worry that they do not know which coins are safe or which projects are trustworthy. Others feel that there are too many gray areas where laws are unclear. In the United States, there's already growing excitement about the new crypto rules that could fix many of these problems. Imagine you walk into a grocery store and see a new type of food on the shelf. If there are no labels on the food, you might feel nervous about buying it. But if there's a clear labels that tell you exactly what is inside and how fresh it is, you make a good decision. Once the government sets more explicit rules, more people and businesses might feel comfortable using or investing in these digital assets. There is also talk that the government might issue special orders to encourage crypto growth. These orders could help ensure the bank that even technology startup follows the same guidelines when dealing with digital currency. This would be like having a single rulebook for everyone instead of each company having to guess how to follow the law. Something else that's interesting people is upcoming leadership change at the Security and Exchange Commission, or the SEC. The SEC watches over stock market and many other investments. With the current SEC head, Gary Gensler, stepping down, people are curious about who will fill that role next. If the new leader is more open to crypto ideas, it might mean fewer roadblocks for projects that follows the rules. This could lead to faster approvals for crypto-based services, such as new trading platforms or payment networks. That in turn could encourage more large companies to enter the crypto space. Also, banks might feel safer connecting their systems with blockchain technology, the system behind crypto transactions. Some banks are worried about the risk involved if rules are unclear. However, with better laws, they may see that crypto can help them settle payments quickly, save on fees, and offer more choices to customers who want to send money or invest in digital assets. Why does this matter to the average person? More explicit, crypto rules could mean new jobs, more ways to handle your money, and potentially lower fees for sending funds internationally. Some experts also believe that as crypto becomes more accepted, it could help people who do not have easy access to regular banks. If you can use your phone and some form of digital currency, you can do many things, like paying bills or receiving money from friends without setting foot in a bank. The year 2025 might be the turning point. If the lawmakers finalize solid regulations, by then the new government orders promote innovation. We could be standing on the edge of significant breakthrough. Cryptocurrencies might go from being only tech-savvy people talk about to a standard part of how we move money worldwide. Ripple and XRP ready for success. Let's turn our attention to one of the well-known companies in space. Ripple is a famous for its digital token, XRP. Over the years, Ripple has focused on making cross-border payments faster and cheaper. Today, if you want to send money to another country, you might have to wait a few days, pay higher fees, and fill out lots of paperwork. Ripple says it can do this better using blockchain technology, making the process quicker and more transparent. Why is Ripple in a good spot for 2025? First, they have spent a lot of time talking to people in the government and finance. Ripple shows that by hosting talks and allowing officials to see their offices, it wants to follow the rules. This helps build trust. Second, Ripple has strong connections with banks as well as financial institutions. Some banks are already using Ripple tech to move money between countries. If US rules become more apparent, more banks might decide it's safe and smart to use Ripple's tools. Another big piece of news centers on Bitstamp. This major crypto exchange is reportedly going to be acquired by Robinhood in 2025. Right now, Bitstamp is building a special system to trade crypto-based derivatives. financial products that people can buy and sell based on the price of something else. On the XRP ledger, the network that keeps track of XRP transactions. If Bitstamp's new platforms takes off, it could lead to more trading of XRP, which might push its price even higher. Bitstamps even made a bold claim. They predict 2025 will be a historic year for XRP. While no one can guarantee the future of digital assets, clear regulations and possibilities of new users pouring in might help XRP stand out. Commodity Futures Trading Commission (CFTC), which oversees certain kinds of financial markets, also has a new leadership on the way. If this new leader supports responsible crypto trading, it could make it easier for people to buy and sell XRP-based products legally. Overall, Ripple and XRP are working hard to meet market regulators' needs by building up close ties with officials and offering a technology that streamlines money transfers. Ripple is positioned for success in a world that may soon have much clearer crypto rules. Remit RTX changing how we send money. While Ripple is grabbing a lot of headlines, Remixed RTX is another project that you might want to keep an eye on. RTX aims to simply cross-border payments significantly. Its main service, DeFi, helps people convert more than 40 different cryptocurrencies into regular money, what we call fiat currency. Then users can send those funds to banks almost anywhere in the world. Picture someone working in a foreign country who needs to send money back home to their family. Traditional methods might involve high fees and slow processing times. Remix wants to fix that. By charging a flat fee, users don't have to worry about unexpected costs. Transactions can be much faster because of the underlying BitChain network. In some cases, people only have to wait hours instead of days. Remix also focuses on people who do not have easy access to regular banking. If you can connect to internet, you can use Remix to send and receive money. For many families in developing countries, this could make a big difference instead of relying on the slow and expensive methods like money orders. Remix could open the door to cheaper and quicker financial services. Security is a key concern for many crypto projects. Remix has completed audits from trusted firms, making it easier for investors to trust people during its pre-sale. Raises millions of dollars, some analysts predict that the value of its token, RTX, could rise dramatically once the project is fully launched, especially if more people discover how DeFi can be. For businesses, Remix offers another perk. It can help online stores, service providers accept cryptocurrency payments, which are immediately converted into regular money. This way, the business does not have to worry about handling the crypto. It receives flat and the DeFi system handles the complex parts behind the scenes. As 2025 approaches and regulations become more defined, Remittance has a chance to grow even faster if people feel safer using crypto services and if more companies can legally offer them. Remittance might become a strong choice for cross-border transactions. For many, the promise of lower fees, quick transactions, and so where does all this lead us? By 2025, the crypto market might look very different than it is now. New rules in the United States could bring a sense of order, which might encourage large companies, smaller startups, and the everyday user to invest in digital currency. One or more welcoming government approach can also speed up innovation, leading to faster technology improvements and help crypto projects gain even more ground. With its focus on big money transfers, Ripple is positioned to become a major player. If it can keep building good relationships with banks and regulators. Meanwhile, Remix has its eye on everyday money transfers, aiming to help people and businesses save time and money when sending funds across the board. Both projects want to solve real problems, whether the hassle of sending money abroad or the need to offer quicker, cheaper global payment. The future might also bring ways for people to learn and spend crypto. For instance, online freelancers could get paid in digital currency and instantly turn them into their local fiat. Families could receive money from relatives living abroad without worrying about bank cutoffs or extra fees. Retailers might add crypto payment buttons on their websites, knowing that a solid set of rules exist to guide them. And at the same time, we could see entirely new job roles open up as companies explore bit-chain technology. Developers, marketers, customer service teams might all be needed to help teach people how to use these services. Schools and colleges might start offering more courses about blockchain and crypto recognition that these technologies are here to stay. Of course, no one can say for sure what will happen in 2025, but the ingredients for a major transformation are in place. Clearer rules, more supportive leadership, and a growing demand for faster, cheaper, and more inclusive financial services. Ripple and Remix are just two examples of companies that may benefit from these changes, but they're eliminating the bigger story. Crypto is evolving from a niche interest to a real force in global financing. If you're curious about investing or using these services, doing your homework is essential. You could check the rules in your area, learn about the risks, and remember that crypto values can go up and down very quickly. At the same time, it's hard not to feel excited about the future where sending money across the world could be as easy as sending a text message. As 2025 draws nearer, keep an eye on the new government agency announced. Watch for big moves in the crypto industry and pay attention to projects that solve real problems. With the right mix of clear rules and strong technology, the crypto world could very well become a standard part of everyday life. Thank you for joining me in this discussion. I hope this has helped you understand why so many people believe that 2025 could be the turning point for digital currency. Leave a comment below and let's keep the conversation